Ryan. Walk up to him and fucking punch him in the face. You fucking ugly ass cunt.
I'm kidding.
Go!
Calm down.
Go!
Calm down.
Go!
You got more time.
Go!
You what?
Go!
Go what?
Do it!
Go fix what you fucking did, Ryan, 'cause your mom's gonna have to do it!
Ryan, go!
You what?
You put shit in the tub, Ryan!
But
Go!
Ow, what the
Go.
fuck? Don't touch me.
Why was your hand wet, Ryan?
Go!
No.
Go!
Fucking
What you just
look at my
you just
back.
did. Go!
No.
You're a fucking nasty ass little kid, Ryan!
Finish it.
What are we talking about?
You threw something in the tub, Ryan. Go!
It's not in there anymore.
What kind of human being throws shit in the tub and puts it down the drain, Ryan?
What kind of human slaps somebody in the back?
Normal people, Ryan, because you're an ignorant
No,
little
no,
fuck!
you don't slap people in the back.
Where
with
is it
their shirt
right
on.
now?
He put it down the fucking drain in
It's
the
not
tub!
there anymore. Calm down. We've got a normal fucking toilet.
Maybe you're a normal fucking person, Ryan.
Maybe if you fucking get on my face.
You smell like shit, because when you make me...
Alright, stop.
You smell like straight up
It's
shit.
gone, it's gone.
It's not gone because it's gonna come back up now. I'm gonna grab it.